Today's topic is for those of you who are preparing to take care of your elderly parents. First, I would like to say thank you. It's a very difficult job that you're undertaking, which you understand, and my thoughts and my prayers are with you. There are two things I would like you to assess. Number one is your resources. You need to go to the senior center. You need to talk to doctors and even talk to social services and get a list of those services that are free for your elderly parents and those services that are low cost for your elderly parents. And so that way you have those services and that assistance when you need it. The second thing that you need to assist is your own limitations and your own capabilities. It's a very difficult job, and if you take on more than you can chew, then it's going to fall apart, and you're going to fall apart, and your kids and everyone's going to suffer for this. So what you want to do is step back and reasonably see what you're capable of doing and stay within your own capabilities. That way everybody can flourish, your parents and the other members in your family as well. I hope that you find this encouraging. Have a blessed and a beautiful day.